god, that looks so freaking cool. This is the best thing ever. What's up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory! Guys, today I am going to be making slime with piping bags. So I saw some people do this and it looked really cool, really satisfying. So I decided to do it. So basically this is kind of like a just satisfying video. So you guys just can go ahead, turn off the light or something, sit down, relax, take your shoes off, take your socks off. And it's gonna be ASMR Ameerah. I'm just kidding, I can't do that. Anyways, guys, today's like my challenge. Me and Jennifer's Slime with you. I don't know, guys. Try to press the like button with your cheek. Get your cheek like this and then like that. And it's gonna be a hard one, but you guys, like, I'm pretty sure you guys can do it. You guys done like the eyebrow one. That one was really hard. But yeah. Alright, guys, let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alrighty, guys, so here are all the piping bags we have. Look at that. Alright, so basically we have a bunch of slime supplies in these piping bags, and we are going to just pour them inside the bowl, and it's gonna really look really cool. Alright, so first what we're gonna do, we're gonna do 2 rounds, 1 clear round, 1 white round. So yeah. So guys, the first round we're gonna do is white. Alright, so we're gonna do this one first. This one is really pretty, I love it. I guess just cut this part, and let's go ahead and start piping. Guys, I forgot, you're actually supposed to put water first, so it looks really cool. So let me just go ahead and get some water, and let's restart this. Act like nothing ever happened. Alrighty, guys, we got the water. We're gonna go ahead and pour it just on top. I think we might need to restart, guys. Quick, slime make really quick. Guys, I don't know what's going on. It's not activating. I don't know what to do! I will fix him! No! Stop. No, we lost him! Alrighty, guys, take 2. So we're first gonna put the water. I think we need some more. I think that's good. Alright, now we're gonna get our piping bag back. Nothing ever happened, okay? Oh my god, that looks so amazing. I love how it's like 2 colors. It's like the most beautiful brain in the planet. This is the brain of a unicorn. Now we're gonna put some lotion. Okay, well this is kind of just fogging it up, so uh-oh. Alrighty, next one is instant snow. I thought it would be really cool. It's like really activated. It has a lot of water in it, so it's kind of like jelly. Ooh, look at how cool that is. Alright, I'm just gonna mix this, guys. Oh my god, look at that. That's so cool. I really wish I didn't have the lotion. Okay, guys, I decided to end this one like this because I want to do a rematch, but I'm gonna put the lotion later. Well, actually, I don't think I'm gonna put lotion, guys, because that really messed everything up. And I want some more colors of glue because that was beautiful. So we're gonna do another one of that. But first, let's go ahead and activate this one. Guys, I don't know what is wrong with this slime. Did I just create a new slime, guys? Give me some glue. We gotta fix it. We can save it. I know we can. See, look it. We fixed it. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's fine. We saved it, guys. We saved the slime. Whoopsies. I thought that was glue. Alrighty, guys, take 2. I got some more glue thingy. Alright, so we're gonna put some water in here again. And let's do this again. So first we got, guys, is this red one. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I'm trying not to fog up the water. Ooh, I can just put it straight in there. Oh my god, no, go away! Go away! Ooh, this looks so freaking cool, guys. Alright, so I gotta try my hardest to not have the glue float up to the top. Alright, next color is orange. Ooh. How do these people do it without freaking ruining the water? This is so amazing, guys. There we go. Next color is yellow. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna put as much, guys, so that we can see all the colors, because it seems like it's just like it's like covering all the other colors. Oh my god, just stop it. There we go. Next is green. It's starting to get foggy. No. Guys, look at the side. It's looking beautiful. Okay, let's keep going. Next is blue. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Now it's purple. This is so cool, guys. Last one is pink. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is awesome. We did it, guys. Oh my my god, that looks so freaking cool. This is the best thing ever. Oh my god. Look how cool it is. Why does it do that? I just wish we could have made the water a little bit less foggy, but I think this is good for now. Alrighty guys, let's mix it. Oh my god. That is so amazing. It's like it's strings, but it's not. Uh-oh, I think it's gonna turn bad real quick. Oh my god, it's like a party in there. Look at the bottom, look at the bottom. Look at how cool, guys. Guys, look at how cool this is. All right, it just turned like kind of reddish. Oh my god, this is amazing. It just turned into chocolate milk. It actually looks kind of tasty. All right, let's go ahead and activate. I actually really like this. I was planning on giving it a little makeover, but I don't know, this kind of looks really pretty. Like, it doesn't look pretty, but it reminds me of chocolate milk, and I like it a lot. What do you think, Paul? I think it looks really cool because it's like glossy. Alright guys, here it is. It is all done. Look at how nice it is. It actually has a really cool texture. I don't know why. I've never really made this texture ever, but it's really cool. Okay, I'm gonna try and get it out of the bowl. Alright, well, I really like that, guys. That was really fun. Like, that was the best thing ever. So freaking satisfying. I guess we can get on to the next one. The next one's gonna be clear, but I don't know how well it's gonna do because I think we need to add a little bit more color, but yeah, we'll see after. Okay guys, so here are our clear ones. They look so freaking cool. I am so excited. So first, let's put our water. I think that was a good amount of water last time, so I'm gonna do it again. All right, and let's do this, guys. I wonder how this one's gonna look because they are clear, so I don't know if you. Oh my lord, that's so cool. This is supposed to be red, guys, by the way. It's just I kind of like I don't know where my red is, so I had to use pink, but it kind of looks red. Also that kind of just mixed in, but it still looks cool. Let's try this again. Oh my god, the orange looks so cool. The clear slime, clear glue thing, it's not doing so well. All right, now we got yellow, but it still looks pretty cool. You just can't really see it. You really cannot see yellow. But the side looks pretty cool, guys, so that's gonna be cool to look at. Next one is green. Oh, you can't see it. You can kind of see this one. Then we got blue. The blue is so pretty, guys. Uh-oh, it's not looking so good anymore, guys. Uh-oh. What if we did these two last? I want to do one more round, and I'm just gonna use these two, so it's like not this. All right, let's go ahead and mix this, guys. It's not that bad. It's just like a pumpkin. This one didn't turn out so bad. It's just orange. Okay, well, I guess clear glue doesn't work as well as white glue. The white one looks so cool, guys. This one did look cool, but I feel like you might like need to do it like everything at the same time because it like mixes in very quickly. That's so weird. I don't know why, guys, but maybe putting glue inside piping bags makes the texture different because like it's like thicker and like softer. It's so weird. This one's kind of a little bit more like jelly, kind of feels like jelly, something like that. Okay, here it is, guys. It's pretty nice. I like it. Guys, I decided to put some glitter. Can't really see it anymore, but it was pretty well it lasted. I cannot wait for this to clear up. It's gonna look so cool, and it's gonna clear up very quickly. I'm just gonna go ahead and activate it more so that when it clears up, it's like nice. Alrighty, well, I guess that's it for this one. Ooh, look at that. Let's get on to the next round. Alrighty, guys, this next one is gonna be kind of unicorn themed. We have this purple one, pink, and this like metallic one has like pearlescent powder in it. And this time we're not gonna be putting any water because so that it can kind of like show more, I guess, you know. So I'm trying to figure out what am I gonna do. I think I want to try and do it like at the same time. Alrighty, let's do this, guys. This is so cool, guys. I love how the pearlescent glue looks. This actually turned out pretty good. I feel like it might have been better with like the water, but like it turned out pretty good. Alrighty, mix it. Ooh, that's so nice. Ooh, That's pretty. It looks kind of like a candy to me. I don't know why. All right, let's activate it.
A few minutes later.
All right, guys, we are all done. Here's how it turned out. It turned out pretty good. I like it. This one is definitely gonna be my favorite. I like it the most. And yeah. Today's video, make sure you comment down below #part2 if you guys want me to do a part 2. Yeah, or you guys want me to do like shaving cream or put like cornstarch or like instant snow or lotion and stuff. And yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.